Welcome back to L&P Gambling. It's Lanny and Paula. I think these are our last hockey boxes that we have. We have a 2023 Artifacts Blasterbox. We have a 23-24 Artifacts. This is a hobby box, I believe, yeah. Collect at least 2 hits per box, so hopefully we get something there. And a 22-23 Hockey Allure. I opened one of these up before, and I like the look of the cards, so hopefully we'll get something good here. I think the last box I got a autograph Owen Powers card that would be his rookie card, so it's a pretty nice pull. I'm gonna open up the blaster box first, then the Allure, and then the last will be the Artifacts. So let's zoom in a little here. Yeah, hockey season's in the playoffs already, so cards winding down. Of course, there's a lot of cards still coming out. I do have stuff that's on pre-order, so obviously I'll have more hockey later. So these are 5 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. Yep, 7. Normally the blasters, you don't get as nice a cards as you would get in the hobby, but we'll see. Miro Heiskanen, JT Miller, Kent Johnson with the green, Jeff Skinner, and Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. And I've seen some people where they open all the packs and then go through them, but I just don't. They kind of go through them really quick too. So Jordan Kyrou, Torrey Krug, Pavel Buchnevich with the turquoise, Matthias Maselli, and Philip Forsberg. I like opening them each individual pack at a time. Brandon Hagel, Philip Khrushchev, Johnny Gaudreau with the green parallel, Matt Zuccarello, and Zach Rowinski. Doesn't give me the, it says look for autographs and game worn jerseys, so there's a, chance that I might get something, but typically in blaster boxes, you don't tend to get them. But it is nice when you do. Dylan Larkin, trying to put that out to the universe so that, one will show up in one of these packs. Sam Reinhart, Cole Caulfield with the turquoise, Andrei Burakovsky, and Yurov Slavkovsky. So, if the hockey guards are listening, they'll throw an auto in one of these packs. For like an auto patch, Someone good like, Sidney Crosby would be nice. I don't even know if he has an auto in here. Lucas Reichel, Tanner Jeannot. Oh, we got a rookie. Numbered to 999. Hunter McCown. McCown, yeah. That was a nice little hit there. Joel Farabee, and a Penguin, Evgeny Malkin.
Woohoo, Malkin.
Yeah, always nice to get a Penguin.
I love Malkin.
We did open up a, what was it, a blaster box? No, not a blaster box. The bigger blaster box, the monster box or whatever, where you get the die cuts. And we pulled just the regular Connor Bedard rookie die cut, not the red one, but pretty nice pull. If you notice, my pink sparkle Bedard is no longer there. It's been sold, so I have Michael Bunting, Braden Point, Zach Hyman with the green, blue, whichever, Patrick Laine, and Brady Tkachuk. And then we bought some Grandeur Hockey. That's the one where you get the box and you get a coin in there. There's 20 different coins. There's 20 different players, I should say. There are coins that have color on them, numbered to 5,000. There are some that are all silver that are numbered to 1,000, and then there's another set numbered to 500. And then there's a possibility of getting the gold coin redemption. And I turned in the redemption, and this is a card or the coin I will be getting. It's a 1/4 ounce pure gold coin, Alexander Ovechkin. So that's in the mail. So when I get that, I'll make sure I'll, show it off. Basically made up for the price of the coins that we bought. Mason McTavish, Jonathan Marchessault, Martin St. Louis with the green or blue, whichever it's supposed to be, Neil Pionk, and Chandler Stevenson. Said nothing great out of the box, but we did get a numbered card, so that was always a plus. Yeah, and a rookie. So, gonna do the Allure next. Come on. I did pre-order the 23-24 Allure. And I found a card shop, local card shop, that has some boxes of the 21-22 Allure. So, and he's got them reasonably priced, so maybe after next payday or so, I might go back and get a box. Or two. Yeah. I'm going to Vegas in a couple weeks, so trying to save up money for Vegas. Okay, first pack. Boone Jenner. Philip Grubauer.
Oh, nice.
With the red rainbow, sorry. Oliver Bjorkstad. The orange to yellow, Eric Kallgren. Okay, sorry, I couldn't see it. Ooh, we got a gold. I don't think we've pulled the gold one of these, have we? This is a different gold than the gold sparkle, too. Wow. Gabriel Landeskog, and it is a gold treasure, 1 of 1. This is my first 1 of 1 I've ever pulled out of a pack. Sorry.
He's looking at me and it's going off camera.
Wow. Woohoo. That one goes into a sleeve. I'm sure you already knew that.
I knew that, babe. I knew it.
Back to the regular cards. Jordan Spence. He's rookie. Goes into a sleeve. Yeah, I don't know. Jake Gensel. and Tanner Jano.
Do you want to put that one on the back?
Yep, that's definitely going out there. I
Want
saw the gold.
this one
These
there?
just into sleeves.
Penny
Sleeves, yeah. Good player, you know.
Oh, you're passed that right now.
Yeah, I don't know why I did it that way. I think that would probably definitely count as my box hit.
Oh, no, that was nice. Though.
Yeah, that was a nice one to pull. Josh Anderson, Connor McDavid, a rookie, Eric Colgren, the Red Rainbow, yeah. Tage Thompson, red to orange, yep, red to orange.
Don't need to go
Ooh.
Ooh, a rainbow.
Artur
rainbow.
Kaliev.
Oh, it's a sign.
Yeah, and it's an autographed. Auto. Let's see, is it numbered? No. Full rainbow auto. I think that would be numbered, but no. Huh. Get some nice cards out of this box. Bobby Brink, rookie. Jarrett Spurgeon. And Karel Vejmelka. If I'd have known I was going to pull a 101, I'd have opened this box last. You never know.
Still say we need to go gambling. We just keep pulling gold.
Victor Arvidsson. Tage Thompson. A rookie orange cut, Jordan Harris.
The die cut?
Die cut, yeah. A yellow to green, Sebastian Aho. A game steals for Clayton Keller. A rookie of Noah Cates. Jordan Greenway. And Alexis Lafreniere.
No, he's just little optimistic on his face.
Yeah. Yeah, at least a penny sleeve. Alex Ovechkin, when I got the gold card coming from.
The other day we heard someone call him
Oven Chicken.
And
Yeah.
I cracked up. I never heard that before.
Yeah. Timo Meyer. Robert Thomas on the black.
That's different.
Red to orange, Braden Tracy. A blocker of James Reimer. Don't think I have that one yet.
Another nice one.
A rookie of Eric Colgren. God, we've gotten a lot of him this set. Or this box so far. I think that's the third time I've seen his name. Clayton Keller. And Nathan McKinnon. Anthony Beauvillier. William Nylander. I got a bunch of his coins. I got three coins of his. So, Cale Makar on the black. Orange to yellow, Alex Iafallo. And iced out Connor McDavid. That's a nice card. A rookie for Philip Hollander. I think I have like 3 of these cards. Jack Roslovich and Patrick Kane. For sure I have 3 of that rookie card already.
Which one?
The Penguin. Not that I'm complaining, it's the Penguin. So.
Was this the rookie I was supposed to?
Yeah, sorry. Normally I stick them down here.
Yeah, I know. That's what I...
Quentin Byfield. Cam Atkinson. Tom Wilson on the black. Jack Campbell, orange to yellow. A Runways, Lucas Raymond. Jake Christensen for the rookie. James Robertson. And Joel Farabee. 3 more packs. Adam Henrique. Trevor Zegras, 2 Ducks in a row. Roman Yossi on the black. Red to orange for Scott Perunovic. An iced out of Jacob Markstrom. Always nice goalie cards. Rookie of Braden Tracy. Tim Stutzel and Yanni Gord. Hoping to fill out my set here. Hopefully finish the set with these, but we'll see. Igor Serengovich. Dylan Larkin. Isaac Ratcliffe on the black. Green to blue. Philip Tomasino. Matty Beniers on the rookie. That's a good rookie pull. Mark Kastelik. Oh, 2 rookies in that pack. I normally only get 1. Igor Shesterkin and Austin Matthews. I did a box pull last week, and I got one of the Austin Matthews card that has the, our box break, I should say. The Austin Matthews card with the net on it, or in it. So that should be in the mail on my way to me. So
then you want a spot and a.
And then I won a spot in the a 10-box Black Diamond random team. So I have to see what team I get. That's not till next month on the 18th. Okay, we got Jake Allen, Alex DeBrincat, Chris Kreider with the red rainbow, Jacob Moverer with the red to orange. Ooh, a red iced out of Pius Suter.
Is it numbered?
No.
No. Okay.
No, not that I can see. Oh, no, it is right there. Numbered to 299. Rookie of Matthias Maselli. And Elias Lindholm. And Rupi Hintz to finish out the box. So, obviously that was a really good box with the 1 of 1 pull.
Did you want to go through all of them with them, or?
No, I was just putting out the highlights out there. Anytime you pull a 1 of 1.
You gotta put it out there, right?
Yeah.
This iced out wasn't.
No, that one was just the regular iced out. That was the red. I didn't get any blue to purple, which are the rare of the rainbow. But I did get a rainbow auto. So obviously that's the box hit. That's a pretty decent hit. And that's a pretty decent hit. So not a bad box. The lure came through for me. Okay, last box. 23-24 Artifacts. Hopefully this one can come through like that one did.
in there.
Yeah, there was. That was a good box.
Oh, that was. Half the cards are in sleeves.
Like I said, if this box is as good as the last box, I'll be going to bed happy tonight. Something thick in there. That's just the cardboard. I know that because I've seen enough people open it that I know that the last card is just a big piece of cardboard. Okay. Matt Duchene.
Now, is this the 20?
23-24 artifacts.
Okay.
Leo Draisaitl. Mitch Marner. Normally the last card is the nice one that, you know. Alex DeBrincat. And that was it. It's numbered 285.
Different?
See, it says collect 2 hits per box. I hope that wasn't considered a hit. That would be a pretty
Sad hit. Yeah.
sad hit if that was a hit. You bring the back card to the front. Elias Lindholm. Sam Reinhart.
Ooh, an autograph.
Ooh, an autograph, Ryan O'Reilly. So this would be like obviously a box hit.
Yeah.
That one only had 3 cards. Oh, I didn't pull all of them forward. Huh? And a Sebastian Aho card. That was weird because I pulled the back one. I guess there were 2 behind it.
There we go.
I saw the Maple Leaf and I was hoping it would be an Austin Matthews autograph, but or even a Mitch Marner. But figures can't be choosy.
Don't get greedy.
I know. Okay. 1 card behind. Yeah. Michael Matheson. Brandon Hagel. Philip Khrushchev. And a red number to 499, Condre Miller. So.
42 of 499.
Yeah. I'm sure there's only one back there. Nick Schmaltz. Noah Cates. Keandre Miller. Just pulled him on the other one. Oh. And a rookie, Sidney Crosby. So it's a 23-24 Artifacts rookies, Sidney Crosby. It's like a clear acetate card.
Not numbered or anything.
I don't see a number anywhere on it.
That's cool though, considering we're big Penguins
Yeah,
fans.
I'm a Penguins fan, so that's a nice card.
You want to sleep?
Yes, please.
Go.
Oh, almost killed the camera.
All excited.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm reaching in front and trying to do too many things at one time. 1 card behind. No, 2 cards behind. This must be the other box hit.
I don't know. I thought that
Jesper Brandt. Troy Terry. Mason McCavish. And a Martin St. Louis numbered to 299. So, yeah, I don't think that's the box hit.
No. Got a couple of numbered ones.
Yeah.
26 of 299. Not bad. I think it's a gold.
Yeah, it's a little bit different, like bronze, I think.
Yeah, bronze or something.
Okay, Rasmus Dahlin, Tyler Toffoli, Nathan McKinnon, ooh, and a Tage Thompson Artifact Aurum. I guess that's how you pronounce that. I don't see a number on it. Has a bounty code, but I don't know if I want to scratch that or not. Nice looking card though.
What does the code, if you scratch it, do?
I'm not sure. I'd have to look that up. I'm assuming you probably collect points or something. A lot of collectors probably don't scratch them. But I'll look it up. Not right now, but...
Of course not right now.
Jack Eichel. Jonathan Marchessault. Lucas Reichel. And Josh Morrissey Blue, numbered to 199.
What number to 199?
48.
48.
Oh, almost his jersey number.
Oh.
That would have been nice if it would have been his jersey number.
That would have been.
Okay, so I'm hoping that Sidney Crosby's not the other box hit, so I can get something else really nice. But yeah,
can't complain.
No, cannot complain. Pulled my first one of one tonight. Okay, we got Matthew Barzell, Dylan Larkin. Just had him a little while ago.
Ooh.
Oh, I think that's the other box hit. What do you think?
I think so. Who is it?
Owen Powers for Buffalo. That's one we got the autograph
Okay,
for, and it's got two swatches, and it's numbered to 199.
Oh, what number is it of 199?
It's number 33. I'm assuming that is definitely the other box hit.
Very nice.
I think that might need a bigger sleeve. One of these. You hear me?
I'm hearing you. Doesn't mean I listen to you. It fits.
No, it doesn't. It
fits.
Okay.
Okay, it doesn't. It's weird. The sleeve itself is weird. It's got a kink in it down at the bottom. Like it. See?
Yeah, that's why we have the bigger sleeves.
Okay.
So for those three boxes, obviously the blaster box we didn't get anything great out of, but that's typical with most blaster boxes. You're lucky if you get a really good hit out of it. Out of the Allure, obviously probably the top pull was the one of one. Gabriel Landeskog. I did get a rainbow rookie, or rainbow auto, I should say. Full rainbow auto, which I don't have one of those yet. And then we got the red iced out that was numbered. And then from the artifacts, these were the two box hits. A Ryan O'Reilly autograph and an Owen Powered double jersey. And of course, then I still got my Sidney Crosby card that looks really nice. And I had a couple other cards like the Aurum, but it's not numbered, but still a nice looking card. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed watching this rip. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Always nice to hear from our listening audience. And until next time, thanks for watching.